All right, guys. It's Wednesday. I'm waiting on... I got all the parts, I think, for the Cuda. So what I'm waiting on it is I ordered some foam sealant so that when I attach the heater box and bolt it in, it'll be sealed. Unfortunately, it didn't come with the kit that I bought. Now, the heater box is questionable. It's very, very, very old. Let's see, 71. It's almost 50-something years old. So, right now, you know, it's very delicate. So, we're going to do our best to get it all mounted up, ready to go. Get the heater working. I've got the fan parts all in. Get a little closer. I've got to put the tack back in, put the other seat in, put the bezel back on, and then we can get it out to the guy with the top. In the meantime, it's been a rough couple of months, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to work a little bit on my C10. As you can see, all the wires are hanging out. I'm going to run all the wiring. We're going to finish wiring up the motor. I have to find my steering column because I thought we had it put away, but apparently not. We'll go from there. We'll find it. It's either here or at the other shop. Then we can start sanding this puppy, get it into paint, and get it on the market for sale. Stay tuned and we'll show you all this stuff as we progress. Okay, the rear of the truck is wired. Now, we just have to do the front. So I'm going to start figuring all this out. As soon as I can find my new steering column, I'll be able to put this rest of this truck together and get it painted. We will see. We will see. It's gonna be pretty simple. We'll just keep messing with it until it's done. We got the front wired up. Everything is where it needs to be. As soon as I get it all cleaned up, then I will put on all the connectors and all the lights, and well, after I paint it. Gotta paint it first. I don't want to have it all full of paint. We'll get there. All right, guys, like and subscribe. We'll see you guys tomorrow.